Believers Radio.
Hey y'all, welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen, to Believers Records, the show where we drop heat every 4 times of the week, the place where magic begins. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through this pop R&B drum kit download. It's crazy, man. Y'all know how we do it here in Believers Records. We always kill it. So before we actually get into this, I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up. I've been saying this for quite a long time now. So if you guys have any, if you guys are down for that, just hit me up, my number, or maybe, my email, anywhere you get to me. So, as long as you get to me, just let me know, and we'll talk. So, this drum kit has a lot of things. There's so many things here. There's some claps, there's some crashes, there's some hi-hats, there's some kicks. There's some midis, there's some one-shots, there's some open hats, there's some percussion, there's some snares, some snaps, nicely processed as always. So before we actually get into that, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into this. So I'm gonna start you off first with the midis, then we'll head back to the rest, all the stuff as usual. You guys know the drill. So let's listen to the first midi. I don't even know what midi this is. Let me just go ahead and load up. I'm gonna start from here 4. Yep. Let's listen to that. So that's it for the midis. So let's check out the rest of the stuff. So from the snares here going up. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the sauce, bro. That's it for the kits. So yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? So make sure that you actually get it. Link in the description down below. It's free. So this you can use this drum kit to do a lot of things. You can make R&B with this. You can even make Afro with this shit. So as long as it helps you, man, and I'm sure that's actually going to help. There's a lot of things here for you to actually check out. There's a lot of things that you can use here that would actually make your beat sound more better. So yeah, so that's it, man. So I would like to mention again that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up. So yeah, so that's it, man. So enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe, namaste.